Hi there! This tutorial will show you how to navigate ODESI repository. To access this, we're going to go through the data center's homepage. So now that we're here, we're going to look towards the upper left-hand side of the screen and click on ODESI. And this will open up ODESI's homepage. Now go along the left-hand side of the screen and go down to the fourth link, ODESI repository Nestar. This opens up a new page with the ODESI repository. You can see the categories of surveys along the left-hand side of the screen. For example, we have things like agriculture, business and financial, census population, all the way down to trade, travel. Then underneath of that, we go into the same categories, but in French. To open and explore these, you click on the plus sign to the left of the titles. You can expand by location of production, series title, and year. So for example, we'll go into health. Click on the plus sign. Now we have Canada available. You can also have international, but for this particular category, we only have Canada. So we'll click on the plus sign to expand that. And this shows us all of the available surveys. Let's choose the Canadian Alcohol and Drug Use Monitoring Survey, or the CADMS. Click on the plus sign to expand. And now we have them available by year, 2012, 2011, 2010, 2009, and 2008, and they'll be listed in descending order. So let's click on the year 2012. Now if we click on the little chart next to it, or the title, this will show us the survey abstract over in the right-hand side of the screen. It also expands to show the metadata and variable description, depending on what is available. Some of the surveys will also have either beyond 2020 data or PDF files, depending on what's available. So if we click to expand the metadata, you can see that we have the study description, data files description, and other documentation. We also have variable description, which lists all of the variables for this particular survey. Generally, this will be in alphabetical order, and they're organized into different categories to make it easier to look through the different variables of the survey. If we click on and expand one of the categories for administration, let's say the questionnaire number, it opens up the frequencies. You also have different options up here with description, tabulation, or basic analysis. I'll show you a different variable, which will be a better example. Go into demographics. Let's go into province. And now you can see the frequencies for this variable with weighted and not weighted. Also pay attention to the right-hand side of the screen with our toolbar where you have several options. For example, you can weight your data, you can create a subset, or this is where you would download. So that's all for this tutorial. It was created by the Carleton University Data Center. Thanks for watching!